Press X, delete the default cube, add a circle and set the value to 8. In this case, rotate 90 degrees in Y-axis and move 4 unit to Y-axis in edit mode. Add screw modifier and set like this. Then duplicate it by press Shift D on your keyboard and rotate 180 degrees on Y-axis, set to like this. Then got to X-axis on viewport, and go to Snaps Chose Vertex, and then hold down Control on your keyboard, set the vertices like a square. Go to Object Mode and apply the Screw modifier. Again, go to Edit Mode. Select the middle vertices by hold down Alt plus click left mouse button, then hold down Alt plus Shift plus click left mouse button, and decrease the Z scale to 0. And select the bottom faces and delete it. I delete the vertices that are not needed. And then select 2 edges facing each other. Press F to fill. Keep working like me. Press Alt plus S to scale on normal axis. Add a shape key for scale it up and down for jumping to animate it the next time. Set the pivot to the cursor. Hold down Alt plus Control plus click LMB and hold Shift to continue for edges ring select. Keep working like me. Set the pivot to the cursor. Scale up on Z axis by press S plus Z and drag the mouse. Again, put the pivot to individual origins and scale down to Z axis by press S plus Z and drag the mouse. Select down head and duplicate it in object mode. Move it on top and press Alt plus R to reset the rotation. Move it to the correct position like me, and then apply modifier. First select both heads, then the body in object mode, and join with each other by press Ctrl plus J. Increase the shape key to 1. Move the top head to the correct position in edit mode. Then in the cutting section, select the vertices on both sides and press M. Chose merge by distance and increase the value in merge distance properties. Then reshape the join area to smother. Then in the cutting section, select the vertices on both sides and press M. Chose merge by distance and increase the value in merge distance properties. Then reshape the join area to smother. For this, you must be sure that the number 1 shift key is being selected. Come back to object mode and set the shape key to 0. Press Shift plus C to reset the cursor position on viewport. Edit empty by the pressing Shift plus increase the size to 5. Then add a circle, move it on top, increase the size manually, then parent the empty to the circle. Select the spring and go to Shape key and add driver on the key 1. Open Driver Editor, select Volume, key 1. Select Empty Sphere for Object. Select Z Location for Type. Go to Modifier, add Modifier Chose Generator. Decrease this value zone. In this final stage, we must consider limits for moving our circle. For limit location, go to Objects Constraints, choose Limit Location, check Z minimum and Z maximum, and move the circle up where the spring stops moving. Copy the Z location value and paste it maximum Z value in, and do the same for the bottom part. That's it for this Blender tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to show your support. First, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all my latest Blender tutorials and tips. I'm constantly creating new content to help you improve your 3D modeling skills, so you won't want to miss out. Next, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Liking the video really helps push it out to more aspiring 3D artists like yourself. And finally, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the tutorial, what other topic you'd like me to cover, or just say hello. I love hearing from the community and interacting with all of you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy modeling!